NATO Mountain Warfare Center of Excellence is a NATO-accredited international military organization. It represents a transformational capability. The vision of the center is to be the hub and the focal point for mountain warfare expertise in the NATO community. Center of Excellence mission is to provide development of mountain warfare doctrine and tactics, concept development and experimentation, mountain warfare lessons learned process, and education and training. Within the mountain warfare niche, the NATO Mountain Warfare Center of Excellence, first of all, ensures interoperability of the mountain warfare capabilities, connects the wider community of interest, prepares standards, provides innovative solutions, and finally, promotes a comprehensive approach towards mountain warfare challenges.